This video will show you how to style tapered trousers in a way that's both stylish and comfortable. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to utilize tapered trousers for different occasions. This style of pants is quite timeless and offers a great way to help smarten up any outfit. So let's not wait and get started with the video. Tapered pants are a style that fit comfortably at the thigh and taper to a narrow ankle. They offer so much to an outfit in that they are timeless. They are also versatile in that you can dress them up with a formal button shirt or pair them with a t-shirt for a more relaxed look. And flexible. You can easily match the style of pleated pants throughout the seasons, which allows for quite a bit of wear. The pair that I have here are from Maison Margiela. They are an investment, but I have found that I can easily dress them up with structured blazers like this one, or make them a bit more casual with a t-shirt and sneakers, such as we have here. I like the pleated front that smartens them up a bit, and the wool fabric that is both breathable and easy to clean. If you'd like some more affordable options, I recommend brands such as Frank & Oak, COS, Uniqlo, or Zara as we have here. Now let's take a look at some ways in which we can style them. Tapered trousers are slightly fitted, so they're the perfect canvas for a button-down shirt, both to add some structure and to showcase your best fit shirt. When wearing a button-down, wear a collared shirt to further structure your look. In this instance, I've thrown on a button-down from Uniqlo and tucked it into the pants to help create the definitive line. With this minimal look, you could add in a statement shoe for a nice detail. These Oxfords from Acne Studios help to enhance the look. This slightly formal look wears well in more business casual settings or even for a nice dinner. Still keeping the look a bit more formal, I've traded in this white button-up shirt for a black turtleneck, thrown on a pair of derbies, and layered on top a black blazer that is a bit more oversized. This monochromatic look of different textures in the wool of the black trousers, cashmere of the turtleneck, and leather of the shoes and belt help to add dimension to the look. I tend to reach for more monochromatic outfits, especially this time of year, and could readily wear this throughout the cooler months. For our next outfit, I wanted to style something a bit more casual. Here we've traded in the knit and blazer for this beige t-shirt from Everlane and replaced the derbies with these black leather sneakers. I've then thrown on a cardigan from Banana Republic, as it is still cold where I'm at, but this look could work during the warmer months as well. A simple tip to help create a more seamless look: tuck your shirt in at the front, then move your way around and do the same. Next, smooth down and push all the excess fabric as far down as possible to avoid bulking up. If your top is too tightly tucked in, raise your arms above your head. This will untuck just the right amount of fabric as need be. Another look that falls within the casual realm is this one that we have here that involves a bit of color blocking. Contrasting colors help to add more interest and depth to an outfit. For this look, I've chosen a pair of cinnamon-colored, high-waisted tapered trousers from ASOS. They have just a bit of stretch in the material to make them comfortable to wear throughout the day, and a really affordable piece that I've had for nearly 7 years. I've then thrown on this off-white dolman sweater and kept the sneakers from the previous look. For an additional layer, I've also added on this long gray coat from Closed. You could really wear any outerwear that you please. Denim jackets or fitted bombers work as well. With comfort in mind, I would wear this look running errands during the day. Another way to style tapered trousers lets us mix patterns to add dimension to our look. For our last look, I've paired these plaid trousers, which have just the slightest taper, with a striped button-up shirt. The neutral tones of black, gray, and white allow for us to mix and match as we please. The cashmere crew neck on top adds another layer of dimension with a difference of fabric, and the structured combat boots help to add a bit of toughness to the look. There are so many different types of footwear that can be worn with tapered trousers, but something with a bit of structure, like these boots, helps to pull the outfit together. With essentials like these tapered trousers, you can really assemble so many different looks. And there we have it, everyone, 5 easy ways in which you can style tapered trousers. If you're interested in how you style other timeless pieces, check out this video that I just did recently about 7 ways to style plaid blazers on the channel. If you did enjoy this one, please leave me a like, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you again for watching. Bye for now.